guys, well, yesterday or a couple of days ago I made some new slime. So here it is. It's like a bluish greenish and it's kind of like 6 in the morning, and it has some leaves in it, as you can see. They're stuck in my hand, and I'm gonna add some things into it. I'm speaking a little bit quiet because my dad's still asleep, so these are what I'm adding into it. They're nail things, but I couldn't find any glitter in the shops, so just gonna carefully rip them. Oh, and my sister's asleep and she's in the room, so I have to be quiet. So I'm just taking it off. And I'm about, where's the package thing? And I've just opened it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some in. I have a little bit of a cold, but it's only a little bit. So make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, leave a like and comment if you want comment challenges or things I should do. I live in the UK, so it's a bit hard to get something, so make sure there are things that you can do in the UK. Oh, and make sure to subscribe to GG Flamingo Tyler. And yeah, so they're sticking to my hand. And they're getting everywhere, so I'm just dabbing it. Sorry for my hair and stuff. Just woken up. And this is my first video, so you can't really moan. So it's getting a bit. It's mixing in a little bit. But they're kind of getting everywhere, so I might try and take a couple of that out. Can you see them dropping? Well, so, and yeah, so I'll just dab them up. Dab them. Okay, so yeah, and go ahead and also go and subscribe to Freya Cox. She's my BFF, or one of my BFFs. Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys, for today. So, bye, see you soon.